Here we have an Audi SQ5, and what we've installed is an integrated reverse camera. So what that means is that it has a standard screen, standard stereo, but the vehicle as standard doesn't come with a reverse camera. It comes with front and rear parking sensors, but not a reverse camera. So what we've done, we integrated the reverse camera into the factory screen, so it all looks very OEM. So it looks like it's meant to be there, rather than something that's additional to the vehicle. Now, let me show you how that works. So probably if you jump in the other side so you get a better view. So I'm just going to start the engine up. Now if you look, that's the factory screen from Audi. And now I'm going to go into reverse. So now we've got the reverse screen. Is also, the grid lines is also adaptive. So if I turn the steering wheel, the guide lines is moving with it. So it's got adaptive steering guidelines. The parking sensors still remain. So that's the parking sensor grids just there. So as you go close, it will start beeping with that. Let me demonstrate that quickly. If you shut that door, so if we go forward, as you can see, the actual parking sensor lines are starting to come up as we're getting closer to the front, and no different than when we go reverse. So if we go back, as we're getting closer, that's also showing up. Right, so let me show you the camera itself. The camera is just there. But as you can see, it replaces the boot catch and the camera sits next to it. So it all looks very, very much standard. So if I close this up. So that is what was there. And what we've done, we replaced that with the same version, but with a camera. And there you have. This is an Audi SQ5, and we installed an integrated reverse camera.